Hey guys, what's going on? So we got a lot of pool videos on the channel, and they used a product all last year that I really wanted to try out because usually like 2 months in to the swimming season, I'm fighting like an algae problem, and my pool seems to turn green a couple months in. So I tried this product called Pool RX, and it's an algicide that you add to your filter basket. I'll show you how to use it in a second. I added this in, and it was like the first time in about 15 years that I wasn't battling a green pool, and the pool water was crystal clear all year. Really worked well, super easy to use. Basically, you put this thing in your basket before the filter, and it's kind of like a set it and forget it kind of thing. I didn't have to do another thing all year long in my pool. The water always stayed really clear and clean. And what I'll do is I'll put a link to this in the description of this video over to Amazon. And I bought this one off Amazon. It's a little pricey. It was like 75 bucks. But the pool store had them for like 125. It was crazy. And at the end of the year, I didn't even notice till recently, save the basket, because they do sell refills on Amazon that are like half the price. Right now, at the time of this video, the refills I think were like 38 bucks. So definitely save the basket. I'm going to do it this year. All right, let's get over to the filter and I'll show you what's involved. Before you add the product in, you're going to want to clean and backwash clean up the pool, then backwash the filter to get all the grossness out of it. The directions say to let the pool run for 3 to 4 hours after you've added the product in, and not to backwash the filter for about 2 weeks. So I'm going to shut the valve off that allows the flow of water to the basket. And open it up. Add the Pool RX outside into your skimmer. Okay, put your cover back on. And turn my valve on. Just turn your filter back on. So once you add it in, it just kind of hangs out in there. It does its thing. So that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions about it, leave a comment. I will reply back to you, and check out the link in the description of this video. You can buy it right out of Amazon. Thanks for watching, guys.